Isabelle Thornton and Restoration Housing, Roanoke. Restoration Housing, headed by Executive Director Isabelle Thornton, is a Roanoke-based organization that rehabilitates historic structures for reuse as affordable rental properties, benefiting limited-income individuals and families. Restoration Housing restored Villa Heights, a circa 1820 house, after a decade of vacancy, and restored it as its first community impact project. Selma Mansion, a colonial revival mansion important to Loudoun County's history, located in the Catoctin Rural Historic District, was added to Preservation Virginia's Most Endangered Historic Places list in 2009. The current owners, Sharon D. Virts and Scott F. Miller, acquired and completed a major renovation project which saved the mansion from demolition. Chloe Shelton was chosen for this year's Young Preservationist of the Year award for her efforts to bring local history to life by writing and directing 2 films, Till I Come Home and Cotton Clouds, based on Roanoke's rich history, as well as for her efforts involving other young people interested in film and history. E.J. Scott is being recognized for her research and advocacy protecting the historic post-emancipation community of Carver Road in Prince William County, saving the Liberty Street African American houses in Manassas, and for her service on the Virginia Women's Monument Commission. Mark Reed and the Virginia Beach Historic Preservation Commission are being recognized for their innovative preservation program, which includes a historic marker project, a grants program that has helped to tell previously overlooked stories in Virginia Beach, and an elementary school education project. The Virginia Beach Commission was also instrumental in supporting and raising funds for the recent dune restoration project at Cape Henry Lighthouse. Literacy Interactives is receiving their award for their work researching and restoring the Parker Sidner Cabin. Through this project, Literacy Interactives has helped raise awareness on the lives of the enslaved and free people of color in the Mecklenburg County region. The Halifax County Historical Society is being recognized for their research and publication of an architectural history of Halifax County, Virginia, a dedicated and comprehensive undertaking that produced an outstanding record of Halifax County's historic places, intended to inspire a renewal of stewardship of the county's irreplaceable historic sites.